Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Starts at 8. I am here today because I wanted to talk to you about another great Mr. D math course that we've been using here in our homeschool. As you can see, I have up on the screen, I just wanted to talk briefly about some of the other courses that we've reviewed so that if you love this one, you know to head over to startsat8.com and check out some of the other reviews for some of the other courses that they offer. Things like SAT Boot Camp, College and Career Readiness, obviously high school level math courses, ASL. So after you check this video out and we take a look at the study skills course, be sure to hop over and check out some of their other courses. But today I wanted to talk to you about the study skills course and why it's so important. People often ask me why homeschool and how do your kids learn everything that they need to learn? And my response to that is, well, they probably don't learn everything they need to learn um, while they're homeschooling with me. But one of our big things here is that I have taught our children how to learn. I have given them the skills necessary to research, to find reliable sources for information, to ask the questions, to be curious and inquisitive, to take good notes. And that came naturally to me. I'm naturally more on the type A organized side, but I know that that doesn't for a lot of people. And that's when a course like this can be so important because you can help equip your children with the skills necessary to really get the most out of the things that they're learning. So this is a half-year course through Mr. D Math, and as you can see, this is the beginning of the course and all of the units that the course entails. Um, so within the course, there are videos and there are things that you can print out. There's all kinds of rubrics and different things, and throughout the course, they have you. There's things for you to print. They also have a test at the end of every section. I shouldn't say test, quiz. And what I really like about this is it kind of breaks it up into small chunks so that your student can know that they're kind of grasping the things that have been talked about before they move on to something else. And one of the really cool things that I liked, let me see if I can find it. Oh yeah, here. Um, there's assessments for yourself for your student to do. Like when there's a writing assignment, like they'll have like read this textbook, use this textbook chapter as an example, and you have to take notes on it, or you have to watch a video and write a video response. And there's this section for the viewer response that they have you fill out. And if you check out my site, there'll be a screenshot of it as well. Um, but they take the quiz and it's like ask them like, were they enthusiastic? Did they have an organized paper? There's like levels, and if they choose, like say they chose that they were like moderately to mediumly enthusiastic about it, it actually lowers their grade a little bit, which I kind of thought was funny and cool because it kind of gives them a hey, like we want you to put in your full and best effort at every assignment that you do. So I thought that was kind of a cool part of the assessment is that they ask kids to really think about um, did they do something that was their best work? Was it well organized? Were they enthusiastic? Did they put the effort in when they did that specific task that they were asked to do? So I thought that was kind of cool. So the study skills course covers things like taking notes from a textbook, taking notes from like a lecture or an instructor or video. It talks a lot about creating study tools and how to organize all of the, like the syllabus and papers that they get from courses and how to organize their notes. And so these are skills that I really find important just for learning in general. And if you didn't feel like you had a good grasp of it, or like you're not as organized as you would like to be, this is a great way to really give your kids a step by step. Like, hey, here's the skills, here's the things that that will really help you. Um, and hey, they might just, really find that they like the organization that is given and kind of demonstrated throughout the course. So, Mr. D Math, 8 Steps to Powerful Studying. It's a study skills course. Um, so check it out over at Mr. D Math, and also check out my full review over at startsaT8.com. I'll link to some of that stuff in the description. And we look forward to seeing you again soon.